we're going to start looking at some algebra here and solving equations. Maybe this is the first time you've done linear equations. Now I've got two golden rules, and one of them is that we never use the word move, and the other one is that we have one equal sign per line. Now I'm going to show you what I mean by those two things. I'm also going to think about this equal sign as a magic thing and about scales, which keeps this side the same as this side. Now what I want to do is I want to keep each side balanced like scales, and I want to work away at this side until I get an x on its own. So not three x's, but just x. So the first thing I want to do is to have this one disappear. So what I don't want to say is move it to the other side. That is a wrong way of thinking about it. Move the 5. Well, I don't know what you mean when you say move the 5. What I want to do is to take 5 away from both sides. So when I have that, it gives me 3x. I take that 5 from that side, but I keep it balanced, so I take the 5 from that side as well. Now that's fine. I understand what's going on here. Some people like, when they're starting the algebra, just to write what operation they're doing. So I'm taking away 5. So I might put that in a box there to say, I took 5 from this side, I took 5 from this side. Let's carry on and think about what I need to do next. I need to get rid of the 3. I think, what's the 3 doing to the x here? It's multiplied. So when I get rid of it, I need to divide both sides by 3. So I'm going to write in here, divide by 3, because that's the operation I want to do to both sides. Not moving the 3. When you say I move the 3, I don't know what you need to do to both sides. But now I need to divide both sides by 3. This side divided by 3. 3x divided by 3 is x. And 21 divided by 3 gives me 7. Now I just want to show you what I do see sometimes is students who do this. And they think that if they put another equal sign on this line, they can say that it equals 21, and then they say it equals 7. And I've got no idea what's happening here. I've got all these different equal signs. One equal sign per line. Let's work through this one quite quickly, and we're not going to use the boxes here. So we're going to do 4x minus 7 plus equals 5. I want to add 7 here because it's a minus 7 here. So I add 7 to the other side, so I get 4x equals 12. So there's the equal sign. Put the equal sign on the next line. I want to do 4x divided by 4. So I need to do 12x divided by 4, the same to both sides, so I get 3. Now, what happens if I've got brackets? Well, there's two ways to do it. These are identical. One way to do it is to multiply out the bracket to begin with. So when I multiply out this bracket, I have 10x minus 5 equals 35. So I just multiplied the bracket, taking it away. I want to add 5 to both sides. So now this side becomes 10x. And I add 5 to this side, so it becomes 40. Then I want to divide both sides by 10. So it becomes 40 divided by 10, which is 4. Another way to do it is, think about this, leave the bracket as it is on this side, but get rid of this 5. And it's 5 times the bracket. So I'm going to divide both sides by 5, and that gets me 7. So it doesn't matter which way around you want to do it, they both work and they're both fine. Now I want to add 1 to both sides, so that I don't have that minus 1 here. And now I want to divide both sides by 2. So you get the same answer, but it just depends which way you see is easier to do it. Okay, I've got 4 questions. You can pause the video and try them yourself, and I'll do the answers. So this one is 2x equals 10, x equals 5. So I added 4 to both sides, and then I divided both sides by 2. This one, I'm going to divide both sides by 2 to begin with. Then I'm going to add 1. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 3 to get 1. This one, I'm going to add 5 to both sides. Now when you do sorry, I beg your pardon, I'm going to take 5 from both sides. So it's minus 7, take away the 5, give me minus 12. Now I divide both sides by 6 to give me minus 2. I can multiply the bracket or I can divide. This one I'm going to multiply the bracket, so I get 12 plus 3x's equals 21. Now I take 12 from both sides to leave that as being 9. And now I divide by 3 to give me 3. And that's starting simple linear algebra.